Today we'll be making koala cookies. You will need some round biscuits, grey ready-to-roll icing, white ready-to-roll icing, black jelly beans, a knife, and make sure you have your parents' permission or supervision to use this, a rolling pin, and some edible cartoon eyes. To start, prepare your icing. Ours is ready-to-roll icing, so we're going to use our rolling pin to get it ready to put on top of our biscuits. Once you've rolled out your icing, place a biscuit on top and cut around it carefully with your knife. Do this for each of your biscuits until you have enough to cover all of them. Next, use some leftover icing to create ears for your koalas. We rolled our icing into a ball, then flattened it out and connected it to our koala's head. Grab your edible eyes and place them onto your biscuits. Next, add the jelly beans for the noses. And now we're going to add some white icing to their ears, like this. Now leave them to set for approximately 1 hour in the fridge. And there you have it. How cute! See you next time!